Look what we have here.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Isn't he?
Oh my God.
Do you know what he is?
What is he?
That's why I was asking you. Is Ireland in there?
No.
Oh God. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I just want to make sure he's not something poisonous. I just don't want us to get bit. But he's so cute.
Such a cute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Now, he might be one of those legless lizards. And if that's the case, that's totally fine. He's totally harmless. But I don't know how I can identify him. So,
very pretty.
yes, very pretty. You're so very pretty. Yes, you are. Mm-hmm.
He's sunning himself. Are you sunning yourself? Yes. These are sweetie. What do we do?
He got that nice copper tip tail. You see that?
What?
See that tail?
Yes, I did.
He's pretty.
Really, really nice.
I wonder, can I step around you without disturbing you?
I don't want to
Huh?